In today's product spotlight, I'll be introducing you to the 38x38 Clam press. Now this comes in our exclusive hot magenta pink like all our other presses, and it's a reliable workhorse. No bells or whistles that might go wrong. This is easily used and easily controlled. You can set the temperature and time on the control box here digitally. The power switch is on the side just here. The timer starts automatically when you open and close the press. The pressure adjustment knob is just here on the top. You turn to tighten and loosen. And then you have two heat-proof mats, one silicone and one foam based. The silicone one can sometimes stick to the element when you're opening it. Just ensure that it's back on the base here when pressing. This is one of my favourite items because it really cannot go wrong.